backflow prevention device malfunctioning can cause serious water contamination issues, and you definitely want to catch it early before things get messy. So, if you have a backflow prevention device at your place, like in your plumbing or irrigation system, you gotta keep an eye on it. First off, check the device regularly for any visible leaks or damage. If you notice any weird sounds or water pressure changes, that's a sign something's up. You should also schedule professional inspections at least once a year to make sure everything is working right. Cleaning the device's parts is key too, because dirt and debris can jam it up and mess with its function. If you live in a place with cold winters, make sure to winterize your system so freezing water doesn't break the device. Keep a record of any maintenance or repairs you do so you can track its history. And if you ever smell something funky in your water or notice discoloration, don't ignore it. That could mean your backflow device isn't doing its job. Fixing issues quickly can save you from costly plumbing repairs or health risks down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with backflow prevention devices is skipping regular inspections, which leads to unnoticed malfunctions and contaminated water. To fix this, set reminders for yearly professional checks and do quick visual inspections yourself every few months. Another common issue is ignoring small leaks or noises, thinking they're no big deal. This can cause bigger failures later on. The fix? Take any suspicious signs seriously and call a plumber right away. Lastly, not winterizing the device properly in colder climates can cause it to crack or break from frozen water inside. The best way to avoid this is to drain the system or use insulation products designed for backflow preventers before winter hits. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners since it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with stuff like backflow devices. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to get connected with people who need your skills and grow your business easily.